There's my crow. Well, hi, crow. Yeah, he's a big boy. Look, everybody's on the fence today. Look, they're all feeding their babies. Yep. All the babies are bigger than the moms. And I put some popcorn down for them. And then I got those over there. Oh, and you gotta check this out. Look what I got. For all the babies, I got worms, mealy worms. And then these are their favorite things ever. They're peanut nuggets. They're peanut nuggets, and they're like, that's what they look like. For the babies. I get them all for the babies. Because, I mean, the babies are bigger than the parents. Why? See, they love the popcorn. And there's a crow that keeps coming over here, and I'm telling you, we just saw him for a second. The mockingbirds go crazy over him. I guess they protect all the babies, the mockingbirds. That's a baby right there. Look how big he is. They're so pretty. Oh, and there's Big Boy. Hi, Big Boy. Hi. Can you show us your dance? He does a dance. He's so pretty. He's like the leader of the Raven. Hi, I'm telling them about you. You're on camera. Look how pretty you are. Look how pretty he walks. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yes, I'm talking to you. And that's my little starling. Yeah. And there's my little guys right there. Hi. Say good morning. You're on camera, little guys. They're so funny. They really are. We got red ones, blue. Oh, there's a baby. He's a big baby. Yes, you are. They're flying around now. Yeah. Good morning. They're having a popcorn party. It's Popcorn Party Sunday. Popcorn Party Sunday. Mm-hmm. They're just so funny. Look at them with this. Yep. And she knows that's the main mom up there. She feeds everybody. She's awesome. And I got them a little bath over there. See? Oh, they just had a scary something. I'll show you some more when they're feeding their babies and stuff. It's really cool. He's the biggest baby there. Right there, yeah. Yes, look at you. I know I have to film through the screen because there, it makes it a little easier to see. Well, look at how big you are, but you're flying now, huh? Yeah. Hee. And they're drinking in their bath. They're hiding in the shade because it's really hot in the sun in Florida. Big Boy, what you doing out there? We got Big Boy Junior. Big Boy Junior right there. There he is. Hey, Junior. Big Boy Junior right there. Yes, he is. He talks to me, too. Hi, little guy. Hey, Junior. Is that your dad? Huh? Oh, my goodness. We got it just in time to see the old... Yeah. Hey, there. Uh-huh. Little sky check, little sun check. Hey, sunshine. That guy started right there. And he's right there. It's kind of hard to see, sorry. The sun is really bright here. Got some really pretty clouds out today. still going over there. Sure is. Trying to see what he's covering up, but who knows? Who knows? What are you guys doing back there? They're fighting. Are you guys fighting back there? No fighting in the magic forest. That's what I call it. The magic forest. Something's really going on over there. Alright, have a good day. Just doing a little checking around. What is going on over there, you guys? My goodness. Love y'all. Peace.